Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature eggdrop franchise business packages. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for eggdrop franchise business packages. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1. Company profile. Number 2. Current franchise outlets. Number 3. eggdrop products. Number 4. Franchise packages. Number 5. Franchise package inclusions. Number 6. Return on investments. Number 7. Franchise procedure. Number 8. Contact details. Company profile. Eggdrop, the #1 Korean egg drop sandwich business in the Philippines, serving different variety of premium Korean egg drop sandwiches such as egg cheddar, egg salad, double ham egg and cheese, bacon egg and cheese, spam and egg, premium beef bulgogi, and tuna melt. With over 20 branches nationwide including SM Mega Mall and SM Clark, eggdrop are planning to open more branches nationwide through franchising opportunity. Current franchise locations. They currently have franchisees at Tagaytay, Pasig, Parañaque, SM Mega Mall, Caloocan, Valenzuela, Marikina, Eastwood, Manila, Antipolo, San Pedro, Laguna, Tres Martires, Cavite, Bataan, SM Clark, Angeles City, Tarlac, San Fernando, Pampanga, SM Pampanga, Binyan, Laguna, Santa Cruz, Laguna, and Lucena, Quezon. Eggdrop products. One of their best seller is the bacon egg drop sandwich, which is made from freshly baked brioche buns, fluffy scrambled eggs, sweet corn, Canadian bacon, and cheddar cheese with their special homemade signature sauces. Aside from Korean egg drop sandwiches, eggdrop also offer crisp-cut fries, tteokbokki with egg and cheese, orange juice, iced tea, and Korean iced coffee on their menu. For the franchise packages. Number 1. The outdoor kiosk, which is worth 149,000 pesos. Number 2. Mall kiosk, which is worth from 250,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. Number 3. Food court, which is worth 350,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. Food truck, which is worth 300,000 pesos to 350,000 pesos. Inline store, which is worth 500,000 pesos up to 1 million pesos. The franchise fee is worth 299,000 pesos. For the franchise inclusions, it includes use of brand, trademarks, menu and brand elements, full training, operation manual, marketing and promotion assistance, complete supply of their special home-baked brioche loaves, raw ingredients, trademark sauces, trademark boxes and packaging, assistance in social media marketing, Facebook page, and pre-approved account or assistance with Food Panda and Grab. For the return on investments, the average return on investment is just from 1 to 3 months. grab this exciting opportunity. For the franchise procedure, number 1, fill out franchisee profile form and attach a government-issued ID with photo and signature. Number 2, submit letter of intent indicating the proposed location. Number 3, screening and interview by the consultant. Number 4, approval. Number 5, signing of franchising agreement. Number 6, payment of franchisee fee upon signing of agreement. Number 7, get permits from DTI, Barangay Clearance, and BIR, simultaneously setting up your space or kiosk. Number 8, training of staff. Number 9, enlistment on delivery service aggregators. Number 10, dry run on day 12. And lastly, the opening day on the day 14th. For the contact details, please contact their franchise consultants, Hazel Salinas at 0969-205-0688 or Denzel Galang at 0915-814-7939. You can send an email to eggstop.ph@gmail.com, and you can also visit their website at www.eggstop.ph. You can also visit their Facebook page at eggstopph. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Eggstop Franchise Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.